Alright, another do-it-yourself project, and what I'm gonna do this time is a little soldier, let's say dispenser. And these are all the tools basically I need. I have these 2 blocks of plywood, and these are leftovers from a project, so I decided like, hey, let's do something with them. And what I'd do first is I would use wood glue to glue them together like this, and then I have this aluminum rod tube, and I would drill a hole onto that piece quite high up there of an appropriate size. And I have this piece already, so I've done it here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'll install the aluminum rod. I'll check that the length is correct. Yes, it is. And then I'll put this bolt through here. I might need a bit, well, actually that will work. There we go. I could tighten that up. And now, the last thing, and you can put that hole anywhere you like. And the last thing I'm gonna do is get these little hooks and just gonna do tiny little holes. And then I have that. And I have soldiers here of different kinds. So now I have all the spools in one handy stand. And I can just pick what's best for the project I'm currently doing. There we go. I think that's a nice, simple little project you can do. And this will be now on my soldering station. And yeah, really fast, simple to do. I'm gonna just tighten that up a little, and yeah, I'm calling it good to go. And of course, if you'd like, you can round the edges a bit, or even make something out of like exotic hardwood or whatnot. But you can sometimes find stuff like this for free. And I think a pack of these cost me €2, and that was the nut and the bolt was under €1. So this is a cheap, nice project to do, and very handy on your soldering station. So that's it. See you next time. Have fun. Thanks.